We will see the introduction to the MapReduce. MapReduce is a data processing paradigm for condensing large volumes of a data into useful aggregated results. For MapReduce operation, MongoDB provides the MapReduce database command. It is a programming model for efficient distributed computing. It works like a Unix pipeline. MapReduce operations are useful for different applications like a log processing, web index building. Now we will see that to implement the MapReduce, which different operations we require here. First operation is a map operation. MongoDB applies the map phase to each input document. The map function emits key value pairs. Whatever output generated by the map function, that will be given as an input to the reduce function. So reduce operation, keys that have multiple values, the MongoDB applies the reduce phase for them. It collects and condenses the aggregated data. Now, the MongoDB then stores the result generated by this reduce operation as a collection. Now, the next part is we will see one example related to the MapReduce. Now see, this is a syntax for writing the MapReduce in MongoDB. Here, the syntax is db.orders.mapreduce. Here, orders is a collections which are present in your MongoDB database. In this MapReduce function, the first part is a map function. Now see what this function is emitting. It is emitting the customer ID and amount. Now the second line in this MapReduce is a function for a reduce operation. Now this function is we are passing the key and the values, and this particular reduce function will return the sum of the values which we are passing to this reduce function. Now the third sentence in this syntax is a query. Now the query is a predicate that which we apply on the document. It means the documents which are having the status as A, only those documents will be selected to generate this MapReduce operation. And the fourth sentence is a output, that in which format we want to display the output of our MapReduce operation. Now for implementation of this MapReduce, first of all we will see which documents we have used here. So these are the documents. First document with the three fields, the customer ID value, then the amount is 500 and the status is A. The second document is customer ID with this value and the amount is 250 and the status is A. And for the remaining document, the status, third document, we are having the status as A, and for the fourth document, we are having the status as D. So as the query is given in this MapReduce, the documents will get selected which are only having the status as A. So the query's output will be this. It is giving only the three documents here. Now on this generated document or on this output of the query, then we are applying the map function. So after applying the map function, see that what this map function will return. It is returning the customer ID and the amount. Now for this three documents, the map function will generate the output like this. The key is a customer ID. So in these three documents, how many documents are having the customer ID same? So those documents will be considered as a key. For that is a A123 is a key, which is a customer ID. And then the value for this key is amount 500 and amount 250. These two values are represented as an array and they are generated as an output like a key and the value pair. So key is this A123, which is a customer ID, and the value is an array which is representing that how many documents are there and what are the amounts value. It is represented in terms of or in the format of an array. And for the remaining one document, we are having the key as a B212, which is a customer ID for this document, and the amount for this customer is a 200. So this 2 is the output generated by this map function. Now the output generated by the map function will be given to the reduce function, and what the reduce function will do, it will perform the sum whatever array we have passed with that particular key, those array values will be get added, the sum will be done for that values, and then the result will be generated. So it will add this 500 plus 250, the result will be generated as a 750, and the output of the reduce will be a document which is containing two fields, that what is the ID and what is the value. Like that we are getting this output, and the name of this collection is the order total. So it is why, because here we have mentioned that in which format the result will be generated. So the result is having a name, the documents are having the name as the order total, and this is how the this map reduce function will be get implemented on this orders collection which is containing the 4 documents.